Mr. Jeff Nalley. So, I love the video, man. You came at the Kango kitchen. You came at me with guns a-blazing. You said it wasn't the Kango kitchen. It was more like the Easy Bake Oven. Man, I can't tell you how hard I laughed at that. That was hilarious. I like the presentation. I also appreciate how you acknowledged me while you was on your vacation. I was in that head somewhere. It's about time you came out to play. I like that, man. But I don't know, man. I just think you need to know that, if you really think about it and you're truthful with yourself, I'm saying, I'm kind of speechless, but man, I'm the man. Don't throw rocks at the throne, man. And if you come at the king, you best not miss. My man, I'll holler at you. Safe travels back to the hood.